Today I'm going to cover twist stitches that resemble cabling, but they're simpler to make because you don't need a cable needle. It's simply knitting 2 or more stitches out of order to produce either a right twist or a left twist in the fabric. You look at the bottom of the stitch and then you look up and you see which way is it leaning. Okay, so this one is falling to the left, left twist, and a couple of right twists as well. And you can still see them when I pull the needle out in the fabric. Let's start with a right twist, also abbreviated as an RT. You're going to skip the first stitch. You'll eventually knit everybody, but you're going to skip it, and you're going to right to the second stitch, and you're going to knit it and leave it on the left hand needle, and then come back and knit the first stitch. And now you can pull both those stitches off the left hand needle to the right hand needle, and you've just made a right twist. Once again, let's do that little maneuver. Skip the first one, knit the second one, come back, knit the first one, and now pull them both off. See? I told you it was easy. So let's do a left twist, or an LT, as you'll see it in the patterns. Same technique where you skip the first one, but on the second one, you're going to, instead of knitting it through the front leg like normal, we're going to knit it through the back leg. We're going to come around and we're going to come back to the first stitch and we're going to knit it in the front leg like normal, regular style. Okay, so that's a left twist. Again, we're going to make another one and we're going to knit the back leg of the second, leave it on the needle, come and knit the front leg of the first one like normal, and pull them both off. And there you go. That's how easy they are to make.